Hi, welcome to a Being Beta, where today we're going to change the air filter element on a 2004 T5 2.5 litre TDI Caravelle or transporter. In terms of kit you're going to need some clean cloth or clean paper towel, a large flathead screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, a pair of mole grips or adjustable pliers, or adjustable wrench, or ideally hose clip pliers, and then the new air filter element itself. First thing to do then is to use your larger flathead screwdriver just to undo all of the screws that's holding on this engine cover and battery cover. The next step is to remove the wiring connector from the airflow meter. So the way to do this is to take your small flathead screwdriver. There's a little recess in here. You just pop the flathead in and then you'll be able to wriggle off the wiring connector itself. So the next thing to do is to release the hose clip that's connecting this duct into the air cleaner itself. I don't have a large set of adjustable pliers or a hose clip set of pliers, so I'm using these mole grips, tighten them on, and then I should be able to squeeze and then release the air duct itself. So with the duct removed, the next thing to do is release these two catches. There's one just here and then there's one around the other side adjacent. So you just release those by fingers, just pulling up on the tabs underneath. So with those catches released, you can literally just pull this air cover out of the way and pop it to one side. And now the next thing I want to do is just check the orientation of the element itself, because I'm going to put the new element in exactly the same orientation. So having lifted out and discarded the old air filter element, I'm now going to wipe down inside the air filter element housing, and then I can replace it with the shiny new air filter element. So now the new air filter element sat in there nice and snug. There is a bit of a recess in here, so I've just pressed the element down into that recess, and now you just reinstall all the parts in reverse order. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.